window is so dirty. Oh, my Jeep.
Launch sequence activated. Launch sequence activated.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing the ever requested Jeep tour because I mentioned to you guys in a couple recent videos that I recently picked up a new Jeep. Now there's a couple reasons why that happened. One was that there were like a few problems with my old Jeep, nothing that was like too crazy, but basically just little annoyances that I was just kind of like, oh, like things that should have worked, like the radios. And long story short, I ended up finding out a few months back that my Jeep was actually on recall. A little freaky, only in the sense that like, it was like the airbags where the guy was like, either the airbag will explode like for no reason at all, or it might not explode when you need it to, aka like if you were in a car crash. I mean, a little concerning, right? So when I had to bring my Jeep in for recall, I was going to need to get a new Jeep anyway. So when I went in, I was basically just like, listen, these are the things that have been wrong with my Jeep. These are the things that are severely wrong in the sense of the recall. What are my options here? And when I was given my options, aka I test drove the Jeep that I have now, I just decided to use this as a sign and upgrade my Jeep. So now I feel safer and I have a better radio. Okay, so today, like I mentioned, I'm gonna give you guys a little mini Jeep tour, but there's still a few things that I need to do in terms of like finishing off my Jeep. So Larissa and I are actually gonna go run some errands today. So you guys are gonna hang out with us. I'm gonna vlog with you guys. I mean, I'm gonna introduce you to her. This Jeep is a her. My last Jeep was a him. It was Drizzy. My brother helped me name him. And this Jeep for some reason just felt like feminine power. So she's a girl and her name is NASA. And NASA because she looks like a spaceship. Honestly, that was partly why I thought of it, but also too, my sister helped me name this one. So it just felt right. If you guys didn't know, I've been dropping weekly playlists, but the one that inspired NASA, like the playlist NASA, it was the week that I got her, or my Jeep. If you hear me call her, I'm literally referring to my Jeep. I'm in love. But I made a playlist called NASA on Spotify, and this was like the tunage I was listening to. Don't ever let me say tunage again. While I was driving around in my Jeep for the first few weeks and like driving up into Kingston because that's where I turned her in and got my new Jeep. So anyway, that's like the playlist that I have for NASA. You guys are obviously gonna see NASA, or you've already seen her in the intro. There's a lot of Jeep stuff going on today. So hopefully you guys have a warm beverage and you're excited for another weekly vlog. We need to go just hit up a couple places. And hopefully I'll be able to finish off the last few things in my Jeep. I just need to like hang up my dream catcher, get an air freshener, put some hand sanitizer in there and some face wipes, and then that's pretty much it. Aside from that, I'll share with you guys basically what my Jeep can do in terms of like cool little features. And yeah, it's blizzarding out. It's really cold. So, I mean, we're not gonna get too fancy with this Jeep tour, unfortunately. I'll have to show you guys her again in the spring, summer when we can like take the top off and stuff, but consider this a winter Jeep tour. Really quick before we pan away to good old Massey, my other child, or only child really. Beep beep. Come over there. Hi. Aw, you want a belly rub. Can you say hello? I feel like you haven't been in a vlog in a little while. You're like, either rub my belly or let me nap. Okay, let's go. At least we'll be warm. All right, ready for a roadie? First roadie in NASA. Am I gonna be able to like set this up somewhere, do you think? If I get creative.
There we go.
Well, that was way too easy. There is a backup camera on this.
Covered in salt.
Covered in salt, yes, but also is very convenient because I don't know, I suck at backing out. I feel like I'm a good driver aside from when it comes to backing out without a backup camera.
I feel that.
This spot is so tight. That's what she said.
Whoever would say, because
yeah, you know what? Love is love. There we go. And we're off. Now we're off. I feel like I need to get like a good NASA sticker.
That'd be sick, actually.
That actually would be sick.
Damn.
Oh, are you ready? You're gonna catch this Jeep wave?
There's a Jeep coming. It's proper etiquette. Ready? I just do a nice little... He didn't even wave back. He's not a real Jeep owner.
Are Jeep waves actually a thing?
Jeep Wave strong. Yes, they are actually a huge thing. Did you not know that?
No.
Yeah, it's like a...
Are you sure it's a thing?
Yeah.
Like, comment below if it's a thing.
You're gonna be shook by how much Jeep waves are actually a thing.
So when you drive past Jeeps, you wave at them, and they wave back at you every time,
Almost
except
every
that time.
Except for the odd person who doesn't, and when they don't, I feel like they don't deserve to have a Jeep. You have to do the Jeep wave.
It's a mood.
Doesn't make sense. No.
Nice little like tribute to Drizzy, the old Jeep.
Hey.
$5.50 for that.
Bye, Jeep.
We need hand sanitizer.
True.
Hand sanitizer, gum would be a good move. Honestly, we should just stock it. Put a little bit of tanning in there. That's actually sick for traveling.
That would be.
Okay, unscented wipes.
Do you have a good lip balm?
Razor.
You never know. Deodorant.
Nice little brush.
Yeah.
Deodorant's a move. Hand sanitizer.
You need the tag one.
You think? But I'm not tagging it to anything.
True.
Like, then I'm getting less for more. Pretty good. DIY Jeep kit.
That's cute.
That'll work.
Did you Googling?
Glade cruelty free? Glade is not cruelty free. What about Airwick?
They're all not cruelty free, so NASA's gonna have to smell au naturel for a little while longer.
So extra.
Priorities.
We should get these.
What are they?
BFF. Oh,
If they weren't such like
Is that it?
offensive colors,
Yeah, really. You rock.
they'll never change.
Aww. That's cute.
He's a nice little chubby boy. BFF.
Okay, I feel like we've been here for too long. You ready to go now? This is quite a haul.
This is quite a haul. All right, ready? Damn, look at that Jeep. That's a nice Jeep.
little DIY kit for your car. Kombucha not included.
This little thing. I did this for my old car, but I never really did it for Drizzy.
We got a nice pack of gum.
Secondary pack will go into my purse. Dry shampoo. I don't think everything's gonna fit in this bag. Damn it. A little brush. Again, necessities. And last but not least, and most importantly, hand sanitizer. David Zips.
Oh god.
Wanna do a little zoom in action on that? Alright.
A little stuffed.
Oh.
Hey. Well, DIY car kit.
There we go. Alright, let's tour the Jeep. Let's bring it home and then tour the Jeep.
So let's actually do the Jeep tour now that we've done a little bit of prep. So like I said, it's not fully done yet in the sense that I want to get a NASA sticker now for the back, as we've discovered. I'm thinking of putting a little NASA sticker like back here, you know, this little corner or something. And we don't have an air freshener, but that's okay. So here's a tour of NASA as of right now, and then maybe we'll do like an updated spring tour when we can do a couple DIYs, because I want to string the battery lights from the old Jeep. If you guys watched the puppy date where I took Bentley to the movies, I want to string those along the back and then make an air freshener or something for the inside that's cruelty free. Welcome to my Jeep tour. Let's jump in, shall we? Okay, so this is my Jeep. This is NASA. Main difference from the last time is that she's a 4-door. So before I only had the 2-door, and when I did switch in my Jeep, I just saw if they had a 4-door just to make it easier. Outside wise, I think it's called billet gray. It's like a silver gray. Got some upgraded rims going on over here. I mean, it's just a Jeep Sahara. So let me just show you guys the inside. So this was just like the main thing that I was super excited about. So we have like a whole upgraded system going on up here where I can like hook up my phone. I mean, it's not hooked up right now, but it's got like Apple Play, and then I can also hook up my media this way as well. So it's like Bluetooth, and that was another thing that was not working in my old Jeep. I could not hook up my radio at all. You got some music bumping right now. And yeah, it's got heated seats and like heated steering wheel and all that stuff. I mean, I've never done a car tour before, so I don't exactly know what you guys want to see in terms of like what it's got feature wise, but I'm showing you guys basically my favorite things. So the radio was the big one. If you're Canadian or if you live anywhere cold, the other big one was the heated seat, which I can feel toasting up my bun right now. And it's got like a heated steering wheel as well. So like when you turn on the car and it's really, really cold, this gets like nice and warm. Everything else is pretty much the same as my old Jeep, aside from the 4 doors, the radio. We got a backup camera, which we've already discussed. I don't really know what else to say about it, so let's just like cut to some cool B-roll. I'll show you guys the interior and then we'll wrap up this Jeep video vlog tour thing. Also added benefit of this bat seat. Ah yeah. That's pretty much it. What are these? Got some like air vents. And then if I'm being completely and utterly honest with you guys, my trunk's a little messy. But it's also a little bigger than my old Jeep, which is nice for going on road trips, which we have a few planned for the spring, summertime. I'm really excited about it. So you guys are definitely gonna see more of NASA in this spring and summer, but that's pretty much the tour, guys. If there's more that you guys want me to show you in next week's vlog that I didn't maybe show you of her now, just let me know and I can do that. But aside from that, that's my Jeep. That's NASA, good old Nassie. So last but not least, I know I just like said I was pretty much done this tour, but I figured we can put on the first sticker until the NASA sticker comes. So interior or exterior? This NASA sticker is gonna be on the back.
Also, it'll show up better on silver than on black.
I don't really have a spot for it over there, but I can put it here.
Yeah, put it there.
All right, we found the spot.
Ooh, so satisfying.
All right, you ready?
Oh yeah, that's the spot.
NASA's got her first little symbolic sticker. And that concludes my Jeep tour.